Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the weather is finally starting to get a little bit warmer, so I wanted to do a look that would be so perfect for spring and summer, really bright and fun and colorful. And I wanted to do something just super quick and easy also, because this is just one shadow and a liner and you're good to go. You can run out the door and be all nice and fun and springy and summery. So this is the look that I'm filming for you guys today. I hope that you enjoy, and if you want to stick around to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the P. Louise base in Rumor 2. I'm going to apply a little bit of this base onto my lid, and then using my Sigma Concealer F70 brush, I'm going to start buffing this out all over my lid, and then up into my crease and my brow bone, and then just buff that out. I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Lost in Los Angeles eyeshadow palette. I'm now picking up LAX. So this look is super easy. I'm going in with my E25 blending brush by Sigma, and I'm just tapping this shadow all over my lid. And you can just instantly see how that base really brightened up the shadow and is just making it so much more opaque. Look at how pretty. I love this. So I'm just tapping first because of that base. I don't want it to get patchy. And then I'm going to start tapping this into my crease. I barely have anything left on the brush, but that's kind of just going to set that crease a little bit. And then we can start going back and forth and start blending out. So we're not going to get that patchiness because we kind of already set that base. So it's not going to be as tacky. Now I'm switching over to my Sigma E38 Diffused Crease Brush, and I'm tapping this first into my crease. And then using a really light hand, I'm going to start blending this out. And of course, I love a nice cat eye, so I'm going to just bring this up towards the tail of my brow to give me that elongated cat eye shape to the shadow. So I'm basically just taking my time tapping on that shadow until I get the intensity that I like, and then bringing that up towards my crease and blending that out. Just adding a little bit more definition and more color into this crease area. And then when there's barely anything left on the brush, I'm going to start buffing the edges out. And then going back into the E38, I always use this to blend out the edges of my crease shadows because it is fluffier, so it's going to really nicely diffuse everything out. And just look at how nice this is. So with this kind of look, because it is just one shadow, you know me, I love a transition shade and then applying another shade and then building my way up in my crease because I love that dimension, and I feel like you get the best result in the most blown out looking shadow like that. But you can definitely achieve that same type of look with this, but it just takes a little bit more time, just, you know, going back and forth and making sure everything is blended out. Now going into the Abbey, I do want to keep this entire look matte, so I'm just going to highlight my inner corner with this white shadow, just tapping that in. Just want to brighten up the inner part of my eye. And then let's just buff this out. Ooh, I love that. I don't know why I don't do this more often. I always pop a shimmery shadow in my inner corner, but I really like the matte white. It looks so good. I'm obsessed. I'm going into Ofra Fixed Line Eyeliner in black. Okay, I'm going to attempt to do a thin liner on camera, so I'm going into my Sigma E06 Wing Liner Brush, and I'm first going to create the outline of my liner, and then I'm going to fill it in. Okay, I'm going to go off camera and perfect this liner because I need to be super close up to the mirror. I'm now going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in 0. I'm going to line my upper waterline. I'm going to apply mascara and false lashes, and I'm going to the Lily Lashes in Doha. And that's the eye look done. If you hear lawnmowers in the background, I'm so sorry. I have been trying to wait it out, but I feel like they're just never going to be done. Every time I try to start talking, they just keep getting louder. It's like they're mocking me, but let's just try to look past it, and hopefully it's not going to bother us or disturb this video and our piece of doing our makeup. So now moving on to my lips, I'm going to the NYX Cosmetics Slim Lip Pencil in Nude Truffle. I finally got a new one. I'm obsessed with this lip pencil in this shade. I'm first going to start off by lining my lips. And then I'm going to slightly fill them in. Oh my god, I think the lawnmower was finally stopped, or I just got used to it and I just can't even hear them anymore. So now to brighten up the center of my lips, I'm going into the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cairo. And I'm just gonna apply this in the center of my lips and buff it out. So now do I leave the entire look matte and keep my lips matte, or do I pop on a little bit of this gloss? This one is so pretty. This is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Pearl. It is just so pretty. There's so many reflex and sparkle. I don't know. I wish I could just do this like in real time and ask you guys, what do you think? Okay, we're gonna give this a shot and try it out. I tried on a little bit and I loved it. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yep. Okay, you know what? We're sticking with the yes. We're doing it. That was such a good decision. I am in love with this gloss. Wow. And that is it. This is the completed look of my turquoise blue smoky eye. I hope that you enjoyed. I love how this look turned out. You could do this look with any shade, honestly any color, and it would look amazing. I really want to do like a pastel purple, a green. Well, I just filmed a green, so we have to wait with the green. Maybe like a yellow. I feel like that would look super pretty, a really light pastel yellow. Should we do that with a brown liner? Yes, I think I want to do that. That sounds really pretty. It's so crazy that I feel like I get the most inspiration for looks when I'm actually doing a look, because I was sitting for maybe like an hour to 2 hours before trying to figure out what I wanted to do. I knew that I wanted to do something quick and easy for spring and summer, and I was just going through palettes and all these different products and trying to find inspiration, and I just couldn't figure out what to do. So I had to phone a friend, more like phone my mother, and she helped me and we came up with this look, and we figured it's like super quick and easy and perfect for spring and summer. And all of a sudden now I have all of these ideas coming to my mind. I should write them down. I feel like that would be a good idea. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I now have 2 Instagram accounts, one for my makeup and one for my press-on nails. And exciting news, I now sell solid shades. So here is one of them on me right now. So if you don't like nail art, there are only solids for you, so I wanted to make sure that there is something for everyone. So there's every color you can imagine, every finish, matte, glossy, metallic, sparkly, just plain, anything you can imagine is there. So don't forget to check out my Etsy shop. That'll be linked down below. And all of the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma that I used to create this look, I used just the brushes in my brush set to create this look, will be linked down below for you to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!